One of my favorite dips at an appetizer party is a lentil dip. So I got these already cooked at Sprouts. They are actually sprouted lentils, so make it really simple. I just took them straight out of the bag. Then I'm going to add some olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette, this is 2 packets of lentils, and some fresh basil. And I'm gonna just give this a little stir first. I'm gonna add, normally I add a whole packet of basil. I only had maybe half a cup's worth. So I had made some pesto earlier. So I'm just gonna throw that in. I usually just add the fresh basil only, but I didn't have enough. So we'll just do it like this and it'll be just as delicious. Give it that nice basil-y taste. Gonna just have a little taste of it here. Put a little bit more of the balsamic, a little more of the olive oil. I'm also going to add some feta, so I'll wait to put salt in it to see how the feta salts it up. Add the tomatoes. I've got about 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. This is really fun with some gluten-free crackers. You can add less tomatoes if you want to. It's kind of a lot of tomatoes there, but it'll be delicious. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 cups of some feta cheese. So this is a sheep cheese. And I'll taste for the spices. Is it salty enough? Is it basil-y enough? So this goes great. So if you wanna put it on top of a salad, it's nice. I like to have this in my refrigerator for just those purposes. When I wanna take a nice vegetarian meal, this works really nicely. Okay, let me have a little bite of that. Good. I'm gonna add some more balsamic. Throw those tomatoes in there. And so just adding a little bit more. I'm gonna add some salt, probably even a tad more of the pesto. What's nice about being a chef, you can just have courage and just throw things in there. You just can't take things out. Add a little bit more salt. This should be absolutely perfect. It'll marinate for about a couple hours, but again, you could just let it marinate for 20 minutes and then serve it. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's have a little taste of it. Perfect. So this is a beautiful lentil dip, or you can have it as a lentil salad.